Hello, and welcome to the ultimate guide to investing in Bitcoin. In this video, we will be discussing everything you need to know about investing in the world's most popular cryptocurrency. First, let's talk about the history and significance of Bitcoin. Launched in 2009, Bitcoin was the first decentralized digital currency, using blockchain technology to allow for secure and anonymous transactions. Over the past decade, Bitcoin has gained increasing recognition and adoption, with more and more businesses and individuals accepting it as a form of payment. Now, let's move on to the benefits of investing in Bitcoin. One of the biggest advantages of Bitcoin is its potential for high returns. In the past, Bitcoin has seen significant price increases, with some investors seeing returns of thousands of %. Additionally, Bitcoin is decentralized, meaning it is not controlled by any government or institution, which can provide a level of security and freedom. Of course, there are also risks and potential drawbacks to investing in Bitcoin. One of the biggest concerns is its volatility, with prices often fluctuating wildly. This means that there is the potential for both significant gains and losses. Additionally, the lack of regulation in the Bitcoin market can make it more difficult to protect your investment. So, how do you go about purchasing and storing Bitcoin? The first step is to set up a digital wallet to hold your Bitcoin. There are many options available, so be sure to research and choose a reputable and secure wallet. Next, you can purchase Bitcoin on a cryptocurrency exchange. There are many exchanges to choose from, so again, do your research and compare fees and features before making a decision. Once you have purchased your Bitcoin, it's important to store it safely. This means keeping your wallet secure and backing up your private keys. It's also a good idea to diversify your investment by holding a portion of your Bitcoin in a different wallet or on a different exchange. Now, let's talk about strategies for maximizing your returns on a Bitcoin investment. One of the most common strategies is long-term holding, also known as hodling. This means buying and holding onto your Bitcoin for the long term, rather than trying to time the market and make short-term trades. Of course, this can be risky, so it's important to do your own research and make an informed decision. Finally, some tips and advice for those new to investing in Bitcoin. First and foremost, it's important to educate yourself and stay informed about the latest developments in the Bitcoin market. This can help you make better investment decisions and avoid potential pitfalls. Additionally, it's a good idea to start small and gradually increase your investment as you become more comfortable with the process. In conclusion, investing in Bitcoin can be a great way to grow your wealth and take advantage of the potential of digital currencies. With its potential for high returns and its unique characteristics, Bitcoin is an investment worth considering. Just be sure to do your research, stay informed, and invest wisely. Thank you for watching the ultimate guide to investing in Bitcoin. We hope this video has been helpful and informative. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful investing tips and advice. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.